Guys, welcome back to my channel. No, I know I do look crazy. This wig is not laid, it's not set right or anything on my head. I know you guys are wondering, but based on the title, you know what's coming, right? So basically this is a wig, yes, and this is from RPGhair. So I just really wanted to come on here and show you guys like my favorite curly wig to date. No, yeah, so I've had this wig for almost 1 year. Yeah, almost a year. And from the very first day I got it, it was like one of the most convenient wig for me to maintain. And I always come back to it. I've worn this wig to the gym like a lot. I've worn this wig out. I've worn this wig in a lot of videos. And I love it because I don't know, I really just love the curls when it's defined. And with me, I find that I just love rocking curly wigs in the wet state. Some like doing it poofy. That's not really my thing, but I do love the wet look. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys like my favorite curly hair slash curly wig routine. So yeah, it's gonna be a really quick video. So I'm gonna do like a part to the side here. I definitely don't want it to be straight because I feel like sometimes when they give it like those little, you know, bends, it look more realistic. So I'm pretty much just going to go ahead and define the curls, and this is what I'll do on a regular whenever I wear this wig. So right now I know it looks crazy, and look at it. It's laying and I don't have any gel or adhesive, so that's a next thing why this wig is so convenient for me. It's laying, and I know it still looks crazy, but the next key thing with this wig is just the wet look, and that's one of the big reasons why I really love it. I mean, I have other beautiful wigs as well, like just the other day I was rocking that tight curly bob like life, that one that I wore when I competed in my first international bikini competition. That's, yeah, but that's a bob. But this isn't that long either, but I don't know, I love this one. So I have this like conditioner water here, so I'm just spraying this like conditioner water in, and this is really just gonna get the curls popping. To pray today. The next key thing I take is this brush that I received from RPGhair some time ago in my box, the box that the wigs come in, and this just really helps to further define the curls. So I'm just brushing it through, just run the brush through, and look at those curls. Yeah, the water got on my shirt, but it will dry. So look at that, guys, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Probably thought that after a year, after wearing it so many times, it would have become worn, but the curls are still popping, so that's really, really good. Can you help me find a way? Apart from just showing you guys how I define the curls and just the curly hair routine in general, I wanted to show you guys that these wigs are actually of good quality, you know, and they actually last, because after having a wig for a year, in some cases, like I've had wigs before, and after a while of having them, they don't make any sense anymore. But I wanted to show you that after having this wig for so long, it's still here, it still looks good, you can still wear it out, you know, it's living up to its worth. Because I was actually going through my wig collection the other day and I came up on it because I haven't worn it in a while, and I was like, yo, I need to put this on. I need to show you guys what's going on and stuff like that. And the parting here looks very realistic, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder, my face powder, to make this look a little bit more visible. This is the Water Wave Virgin Brazilian hair, and it's a glueless lace front wig. So it's very convenient for all those days when you just want to draw on one wig and go, and you can just stick the combs to get that security. definitely I don't recommend you just putting on a wig without comb or an elastic band or anything, because you don't want to go to run a little accident or nothing go happen and the wig will drop off. No. These have combs inside. All my RPG hair wigs have combs inside of them, so you just stick the combs in and you're good to go. So I feel like that's a plus. You don't need gel or glue to secure the edges or anything, because right now I don't have any of that done and the wig is popping. Everything looks really good. Yeah, this wig is 16 inches long, by the way. It's of a natural hair color. That's pretty much it for my curly hair wig routine. I really hope this was helpful. I hope I could like open up your eyes a little bit more as it relates to the quality of these RPG hair wigs. I know you guys are really concerned about that a lot of times, and I really just want to reassure you guys that, you know, you're not wasting your money. Yes, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you're interested in this or any other wig, guys, don't forget to go ahead and use my discount codes SUE15 and PETITE10 to get dollars off, and you can go ahead and shop from my direct page link. It will be the first link in the description box, so go ahead, check that out. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my Vlogmas series going on now on my vlog channel PETITE-SUE TV. The link for that will also be in the description box. Guys, I really hope you come out and support the event if you're in Kingston, Jamaica, January 5th, the event that Divine and I is having. Yes, let me go ahead and show you the flyer right now.
When I respond, so I feel sell out and turn switcher. Rich will get richer and richer. Line too short for we meditate on a stack the dollar, make it bigger and go richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to remind you guys, ticket information, all that good stuff, the location, all that is in the description box as well, so go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.